Hey everyone, and welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. In today's article, we will discuss how to create mockups in Figma and some helpful hints for making the most of this powerful tool. The use of mockups, which enables designers to check out their concept and receive feedback early in the development process, is essential in the design process. And Figma is an excellent tool for generating mockups since it gives you a lot of customizing choices and capabilities. So without any further delay, let's move ahead for our session. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. To create mockups in Figma. In today's session, we will see what mockups are. Moving forward, we will see how to create mockups in Figma. What are mockups? Now let's discuss what mockups are and proceed further for the same. Mockups are merely designs that represent how a service or product will seem in the future. Anything from websites and mobile applications to the basic thing like packaging may use them. Before devoting excessive time and money to a particular design, mockups allow designers to test their ideas quickly. Additionally, they allow designers to gather early clients or other stakeholders' comments, which can assist in enhancing the finished product. After discussing what are mockups, we will see how to create mockups in Figma. Figma is an excellent tool for generating mockups since it gives you a lot of customizing choices and capabilities. Create a new file in Figma and choose the Mockup template from the list of available templates to start creating mockups. You can create mockups in Figma by accessing hundreds of premium Artboard Studio mockups components within your Figma files. With only a button press, quickly convert Figma frame into a realistic product mockups. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way to start practicing designing apps and websites in Figma. You can quickly download Mockups plugin in the Figma rather than saving your Figma design and switching to another software to build a mockup. Although numerous plugin alternatives are available in different styles, they are all easy to use and can be integrated into bigger projects. So just go to Google, Artboard Studio. Alright, click on the Get Started for free. Right, guess that makes just quickly create an account. As I have already made an account, so I will go to the setting, then integration. Okay, then click on the setting to reveal the API key and you will be shown an API key, and then copy this and come back to the Figma and paste here in right. Now here you can see you can reveal the API key over here and you can paste it over here. So right now maybe it's not making any sense, but when you launch this plugin, you are going to see more data that shows input API keys, right? So just go over the website, create an account, create your API key, and you have to copy and come back over your Figma and paste that API key, right? And it may look like a little stressful, but it will take a long run. It's going to be actually beneficial to you. All right, so now you have a lot of mockups, right? So we'll click on right button and you can have the plugin over here in Artboard Studio. Yeah, it will take a bit of time. Okay, now I'm going to search, or I can select only free items. Okay, let's use this. Let me click on this. Okay, let's use this. So yeah, you can click on the mockup item. You are actually presented with the 2 or the 3 screens depending on the kind of mockup you are clicking. So first you have to mockup by yourself your item. You are not going to make any change to this one, so you can lock this. So you are not going to move that, and or you're not going to touch this. So you're not going to edit this. You can even go as far as you can lock this. Right, I have done. And so this is what you are going to make changes to. Whatever changes you are going to implement. We'll put here. It will reflect on this mockup. It looks like a magic, right? So let's create a design for the food delivery app for the first splash screen. First, let's change the color for the background. Let's take a light color, maybe. Yeah, this is fine. And so we will give the effect to this. We will change this color also. Let's take the sky with the gradient. We're not going to get the gradient effect, so fine. It's fine. After this, first I'm going to make a border. we will select a line from over here. Yeah, again, I will press the keyword L and I'll make the border. So similarly, I have drawn all the 4 borders. I'm going to make the width a little bit big. Let's give this a black color. So this is how it will look after giving a border. Now we will put a text as a name of our food delivery app. So we will give a name, suppose Healthy Eat. We will make the size a little bigger than this, 36. Let's make it bold with different color. Let's take dark blue. Right. Fine. Now we need to make a button with the name Get a Meal. So we will keep one rectangle over here and with the text. Let it be a little small with suppose 16. Get a meal. 24. Yeah, fine. We'll align it in the mid and we'll change the color for this also. Yeah, fine. For making it looks a little good, we will put one picture over here. So for that, first I will make a rectangle in which I'm going to insert a picture. Suppose I already downloaded the picture. So this is how it will look. And now for making this little good, we will put one icon over here related to the food. So I'm already downloaded one icon. Yeah, so this will look like this after putting this icon over here. So we will make it in alignment. So after importing all the items and customizing the frame, click on the render button. First, we have to choose the screen, that is a splash screen. So we will render this and it will reflect whatever you're designing is going to render the item in that perspective. Any changes that are going to be made on this same frame would be rendered on the item after the render button is clicked on the consequence visible in this screen. See. Now for the next, we will see. Now we will see something different when the user will log in into the app. And the next screen will be like how we are going to design. Let's pick a different one. Let's take this one. Yeah. We will again log this one. So we are not going to make any change in this and I'm not going to edit this, but this, yeah. First, I will pick the line and now I'm going to copy the line. Sizes 3, 4. Yeah. Now I'm going to copy this. I will resize this also. I'm going to copy this and so it will look like this. Next thing, I want to add a text and that text should describe or what you want to select your meal. Different locations, maybe from your workplace or something like that. So we will going to add a text over here. Size it with 24 and we'll change the design, let it be semi or medium. Let it be sunny and we'll change the color for this. We'll keep dark blue, right? The bottom, yeah. And we will change the color of our pigeon. So after this, there will be the varieties for choosing the meal. So I'm going to add one more text like choose your meal. Sorry. And I will resize this whole with a little smaller than the before, like 16. Yeah, fine. And I'll change the color for this also. Let's make it medium. And I will change the color for the text. Let it be here about blue only. Okay, fine. This is fine. I'm going to align it again. Remove this. Okay. There will be the location, so I'm going to put a one polygon in the name of location. So we'll change the color for this. Let it be green color. Yeah, fine. So if you want to search your meal, there will be a search button also. For that, I have an icon. Download it. Yeah, so it seems like this, and we are going to put different four icons. For that, we will take rectangle. Align it. Yeah, it will be like this. And now I'm going to quickly add the 4 different icons that I already downloaded. As we are in the choosing page, first icon will be active and another 3 will be on offline. So we will keep them in dark color. So it will be visible like this. So we are going to add the items or the food that we are going to select. There will be different options. So let's do it. So first I'm going to take a square and one circle. Or we will use a rectangle later. We will keep the circle over here. And we'll select a picture of the food that we are going to insert over this. So first, and I have inserted picture. I have already downloaded it from the Google, and I'm going to shift this rectangle over there. This is the vegetarian, so I'm going to give a circle with the green, and it is in our favorite list, so I'm going to give a heart over there. Change the color with the green as it is vegetarian. So it will be like this. After that, we are going to give the name of this meal. So quickly, I'm going to give the name of this meal. And I will resize this. And another text for the price. So I'm going to give like 00. It will be in like italic and the size bigger. Color. Yeah. So similarly, we are going to make the different rectangles, suppose like here. Or let's copy the first one only with a similar size. Yeah, now we are going to render this. For that, we will go into plugin again on the item modes. And we are going to select this. Yeah, so it takes a little bit time and we are going to proceed it to reflect in the screen. So it will be like this. So whatever we are going to make a change in the first screen, and that will be reflect on our mockup screen. Suppose we take another, let's take this one. Let's try to put this screen over here. Let it be like this. So this is for this mockup screen. So I'm going to render this and it will come over this also. let's quickly plug in and open add Mockups item. And I'm going to render this. Yeah, so it doesn't overlap, but it is showing the same screen that I have used before. And yeah, I didn't make any different screen for that, and it is overlapped, but in this it is not. It is showing. Yeah. So similarly, whatever the changes we are going to make in this will reflect on the Mockup our screen. So suppose I will choose this. Anything like, or any other shape. Let's take star. Give it a color with. I'm going to render this screen. And this is going to reflect over here. Yeah, after importing the items and customizing the frame, click on the render button and your design is going to render on the item in that perspective. Or any changes that you are going to make on this same frame would be rendered on the item after the render button is clicked on consecutively. So this is how we create a mockups in Figma. If you have any queries regarding any topics covered in this session, then please feel free to let us know in the comment section below. And our experts will be more than happy to resolve all the queries at the earliest. Until the next time, thank you, stay tuned and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.